Dell Inspiron 3525. AMD Ryzen 5 5625U processor. GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM. 512 GB M2 PCIe NVMe solid-state drive. AMD Radeon Graphics. 15.6 inches FHD display 120 Hz. A modern, thoughtful design styled in carbon black or platinum silver for a classic look. Select dark green speckle for an earthy tone. Connect confidently with a built-in HD webcam that makes you look great. And your PC is designed to last through regular use. With tiny rubber feet and bumpers on the hinge that keep it from skidding and provide additional stability when on hard surfaces. All the sights and sounds look and sound your best with enhanced audio and visual features only available on configurations in platinum silver with an aluminum top cover. With an FHD camera paired with temporal noise reduction hardware and wide dynamic range software. Easy-to-use Technology Express charge capabilities minimize the time you spend tethered to an outlet and will recharge your battery up to 80% in 60 minutes, while an optional Type-C port allows you to easily connect smaller devices to your laptop on the first try.